everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is a dip. So, technically you could use it for Taco Tuesday as well. This one is using leftover ham from, the holidays, and it is a crock-pot ham and cheese dip. That's right, a ham and cheese dip. It is delicious. I think you guys will really like this one. So, watch the video. My mom shows you, her modified way of doing it from the recipe. But, of course, we'll include the original recipe in the description box below. Happy New Year, by the way. If you like our video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog, out.
All right, as Yoda said, we're using some leftover ham from the holidays to make a crock-pot ham and cheese dip. So I'm doubling this recipe. So we've got 2 cups of chopped ham in there. We have got 2 cups of cheddar cheese, and you're supposed to have 2 cups of provolone, but I didn't have that, so I'm using Parmesan. Obviously, these are Daiya, so the ones that I'm not allergic to, vegan cheese. And then 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese. So I used the Daiya plain cream cheese as well. And that is what is in here. So we're going to, it's slow cook. So you want, well, let's stir it first. Think about that. Stir, stir, stir. But you want it on high for 45 minutes. So it's almost done. But I'm going to put a link to the original recipe in the description box below. I think it's the Moms with Slow Cookers website, but we're using the slow cook function on our Instapot. So slow cook, it was 45 minutes on high. So you do adjust to get it to the high temperature. And then you leave it on venting because it's slow cook, not pressure cook. And I'll show you the finished product. Also, there's half a cup of diced onion in here, just so you know. All right, it's done. It's been an hour on high in the Instapot slow cooker function. So this is your finished product, and it is delicious. Ham and cheese dip. You could use this for Taco Tuesday too if you wanted. And this is keto. If you want it to be truly keto when you eat it, use pork rinds as your chips. That's what I do a lot. Enjoy. Happy Monday.